To ignite a fire, three things are needed: heat, fuel, and an oxidizing agent. In this case, the heat was provided by the friction of rubbing two sticks together, the fuel was the wooden branches gathered, and the oxidizing agent was, of course, oxygen. D-Chan was able to successfully create a fire while I could not because first, she generated enough heat to reach 150 degrees Celsius, the point at which the cellulose that makes up the wood begins to decompose. Some of this decomposed material is released as volatile gases, aka smoke. Smoke is made up of compounds of hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. The rest of the decomposed material forms char, composed of nearly pure carbon without any volatile gases, and ash, which is all of the unburnable materials in the wood, calcium, potassium, and so on. As the temperature continues to rise, the vapor pressure increases, causing the concentration of vapor of the flammable liquid in the air to increase. Eventually, flash point, the lowest temperature at which a volatile material can vaporize to form an ignitable mixture in air, is reached. The actual burning of wood then happens in two separate reactions. When the volatile gases are hot enough, 260 degrees Celsius, the compound molecules break apart and the atoms recombine with the oxygen to form water, carbon dioxide, and other products, while the carbon in the char combines with oxygen as well in a much slower reaction. Fire is the rapid oxidation of a material in the exothermic chemical process of combustion. So once a fire has started, the resulting exothermic chain reaction sustains the fire and allows it to continue unless at least one of the elements of the fire is blocked. The heat of the flame itself keeps the fuel at the ignition temperature, so it continues to burn as long as there is fuel and oxygen around it. Generally, heat, reaction products, and light are released, the emission of light being caused by the presence of excited particles and, usually, of charged atoms and molecules and of electrons.